Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. So today, guys, we have the $500 cash giveaway winner will be announced live on stream. I've already picked the winner in advance and they will be announced today. All right. So make sure you guys are like, subscribe, stay tuned to the end. I'm also going to be doing a lifetime Discord giveaway. And if you guys drop 200 likes on this video, I'm going to do another $500 cash giveaway sometime in the next few months. All right. So you guys know I've been doing really well in the market, and a part of that is giving back to the community. And that's what I'm trying to do. So I'm going to go through my trade recap for this week, the market outlook. We're going to talk about earnings, and just make sure to hit the like and subscribe. Like I said, hit me with the 17 if you can hear me loud and clear. And then we are going to begin with my trades from last week. Okay. So what I'm going to do here, guys, is I'm going to take you on a journey, and I really want to educate you and teach you the thought process behind everything. Okay. So going into this week, we went long on the 618. So this was Thursday, the 11th of July. We went long. Okay. So this was coming into this week. Okay. And if we look, all right, so I'm going to show you guys this in a second. But if we look at the price action coming into this week, is that bullish or is that bearish? Hit me with the 1 for bullish, hit me with the 2 for bearish. So we went long using one futures contract at 56.3275. So this is it right here. Okay. Actually, sorry, the futures contract I used later on. I used the micro contracts for this trade. So I did 5 micro contracts, which is half of a full-size futures contract. So based on this price action, we knew the market wanted to make a new high. Okay. So let's fast forward. Boom, 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 boom. Stop right here. Okay. So the market made a new high on Monday at the open. And let's fast forward a little bit more. Okay. We again made another new all-time high on Tuesday into the close. All right. So hit me with a 14 if you're following me right now on that. So what would you do? So at this point, guys, I'm up over $2,000 on this trade at the highs. Okay. You'll see I only locked in 1,500. But what would you do right here? Okay. This is the reality of trading. This is how you're going to stay profitable. Are you going to buy at this high right here? Hit me with the 3 if you'd buy right here. Hit me with the 4 if you wouldn't. So going into the week, I already bought 56.3275. So market rallied 70 points. I'm hitting all of that. But this is the trap of the market right here. This is where the rookies get FOMO and they can't resist but to buy, because everything they see on social media, everything they see is telling them, oh, the market only goes up. The market only goes up. The market only goes up. So what we did, so I'm going to show you right now. So this was on the Tuesday, we went ahead and we moved our trailing stop loss up. Okay. Because we knew at this point, the market can flip and it can crash, really, because there's a lot of rookies buying at the highs and the market loves to punish that. All right. So that was so let me just show you. So this was the alert I wanted to show you guys. And then from there, the market started to turn right here. So I locked in $1,562 on this trade. And that was my first completed trade of the week. Okay. So hit me with a 5 if you're following me so far. So we're going to put this in the corner here. So that was the first completed futures trade of the week. All right. So after that, all right, I'm going to fast forward and you're going to start to see what's happening here now. Okay. The bears. So let me just fast forward all the way to now. Okay. There we go. Okay. So once we had those rookies buying at the all-time high and we started to sell off, this started falling down like a rug pull. All right. So I won 1,500 on the first trade. And then I tried on this dip right here, guys. I went long right here. And you could see that it did bounce. Okay. Hit me with a 3 if you see that bounce. So it popped up on that 618 and it looked pretty good. I could have maybe managed this trade a little bit better, but I ended up losing $1,000 on this trade right here on this candle. Okay. If I had managed this trade a little bit better, I might have been able to get out at break even. Okay. But those were my 2 completed trades for last week for futures. So I won 1,500 and I lost 1,000, still up 500. That is the importance of risk to reward. Okay. When we are winning and the 618 is making new highs and it's holding, then we got to make, double, triple, 4, 5 times your money. And I risked $1,000 on this trade. I could have probably played it a little bit better, but my risk to reward is in such a way, if I win 1 trade, I can lose the next 2 trades or the next 3 trades and still break even. Hit me with the 17 if that makes sense. Okay. And then finally, I did a reload right now. I took a reload entry from this low to high. So right now I am in this trade right here on the 618. So I'm a little bit underwater on this trade right now, but you could see after hours, the market is slight gapping up right now. On the Biden news, we have a little bit of a gap up. So this is the current trade that I'm in right here. And this is what it looks like, the 618. Okay. So one thing that I want to mention right now is these trades, all of these trades, guys, they're called out live in real time. And we did the live stream on Thursday and Friday last week. And we have the video recordings. If you go to stream and newsletter, please take a second to go through this. Okay. I'm going to click on this right now. And I just want to show you. So here are the recordings. Here are the notes. Okay. If you're serious about learning and you want to come out here and see real content, real live trading on my screen, my Discord's the place to be. Okay. It's a one-time charge of $100. And I'm going to keep that deal for the next 24 hours. Okay. So if you want to secure that deal, all these trades live, the recordings, okay, we do this right here, live stream right here. You can watch me trade live. It's $100, one-time fee. Email me right now, rich@tradingwars.com, or you can go on the website and purchase the book. When you purchase the book, it's going to say 1 month free. Okay. But when you purchase it, you can use debit, credit, PayPal, Venmo. It's going to be lifetime. I'll do that for you and I'll upgrade you. Okay. All right. Now let's continue. Okay. So that was my futures plays. And now we're going to move on to Tesla. Okay. So now let's look at stocks. All right. So this, my friends, was the biggest play of the week. This double inside bar breakdown on Tesla. Okay. And I want to teach you guys, for those of you that want to trade Lotto Fridays, that want to do these puts, that want to get in and out real quick. These are the type of setups you have to look for. So I pointed this out on the YouTube. So this was for Friday, 245 puts below 248.19. Okay. And Tesla was my number 1 pick because this rare double inside bar. Go look at Tesla and tell me the last time you see a double inside bar close on Tesla. Okay. So I'm going to go to the 5-minute chart here. Here's our short entry at 248.19. So let's watch it now. Boom. The first candle breaks through our low. We're in the puts, and I'm going to fast forward. It's gone. All right. This is a picture perfect double inside bar breakdown. The puts went for 200%. The Lotto Friday puts. Okay. Hit me with the 14 if you see what I'm saying there. All right. So one thing I want to say is, if you're a Trading Wars Army member, okay, you can click the join button below on this video. It's $4.99 to join. If you're a Trading Wars Army member, I post these plans. Okay, these are exclusive to the Trading Wars Army members. So Tesla short 248.19, stop 251, target 245.52, puts the 245 puts. Okay. So looks, we got a new member here, Mina Rose. Mina, welcome to the Trading Wars Army, my friend. Let's welcome Mina in with the TW Army Spy VIP. So those are the exclusive plays if you are an Army member, okay? It's also in the Discord. I just wanted to point that out. All right. So another thing that I did this week is I traded Amazon long on this 618. So I'm going to go back in time and I'm going to show you. So we ended up going long on this 618 right here, guys. And the very next day, we had a very nice pop-up. So this trade was up about 2 or 3% from the Amazon itself, and calls are up about 20%. Unfortunately, it did not hold. Okay, there's been a lot of news and all that stuff going on, so it did not end up holding. But I did spend last week, for those of you that are in the stock room right here, for those of you that are in the stock room, I just posted all my new charts, and we've been loading up last week for long-term holdings. Okay, so I bought Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. So that was my plan last week. So what I want to do now is just some rapid fire charts. So this is my updated weekly chart analysis on NVIDIA. Okay, we have a massive fair value gap covering through the 50 and 618 Fibonacci. My levels to buy are as follows: 382, 50, 618, 115.87, 108.19, 150 for those long-term players. And NVIDIA, these are my levels, my key levels, okay, that I'll be looking for opportunities on NVIDIA. Very, very nice setup here on NVIDIA. Hit me with a 14 if you see that, guys. All right, so that is very clean. And then we're going to continue now. SPY, we have an outside bar close. This is a very dangerous candle. It's very volatile. There's a lot of earnings coming up. There's a lot of money to be made right now in the stock market because of the election, because of all the different earnings. There's a lot of stuff going on. And I mean, if you guys haven't been a part of the market this year, you're missing out, because it's been one of those crazy years. Normally in the summer, like July and stuff, it's very quiet, very calm. But we've had a powerful outside bar. Okay, outside bar weekly closes. You can see another example right here. This was the last one we had. This was in October of 2023. We pushed down and then we pushed back up. You can see over here, this was a bullish one. The one thing I did want to point out, I'm not gonna say the market's gonna crash, but I just the market for the next year. Okay, so that's something to pay attention to. So this candle is very important, and I'm going to be watching it closely. All right, and let's continue now. Tesla. So I still have my long-term target on Tesla, guys. If we come off of here, so you guys know that I called out Tesla down here in the 135s using this Fibonacci tool. If we come off the low to the high, oops, let's draw it again. Come off of the low to the high, right around this 170. And then if I double click on here, you'll see the 786 fib was right there. Boom. Look at that, guys. You see that 786 fib? Hit me with a 17 if you see that. Okay. So I really love these Fibonacci's, because look how powerful and accurate that 786 fib was on Tesla. Very, very beautiful. We tagged it and then we popped right back up. So my bigger picture target right now on Tesla is coming back off of this all-time high, coming down to this low, right back here in the 294, 295 area. So we do have a very powerful inside week close. We have a lot of fair value gaps below. I wouldn't be surprised if it pulled back a little bit, but overall long-term, I'm looking to come back to that 295 area. Okay. Everything else pretty much doing the same in the market. SMCI. So I know a lot of you guys follow this. Massive bull flag set up here. Google, nice little pullback. So I have, if you're in the Discord right now, guys, I have my place for next week. Google, Microsoft, and NVIDIA. Okay, so that's my game plan for next week. So if you're in the Discord, you'll obviously get my live alerts and my live callouts, and I'll walk you through the trade step by step. But I just wanted to share with you guys what I'm thinking for next week. Okay. All right. So we got through my recap. We got through the market outlook. And like I said, guys, earnings coming up. There's going to be a lot of opportunities to make money in the market. So if you're on the fence about joining, I'm extending the $100 lifetime deal for the next 24 hours. You can either email me, rich@tradingwars.com, or you can just go on the website and purchase through that if you want to use credit card. That's it. All right. So we're going to do the $500 giveaway winner right now. And make sure whatever, I already picked the winner because I don't want any controversy. I don't want, if I refresh my screen and somebody said, oh, I was number 5 and blah, blah, blah. I already have the winner picked from one of the comments. And all I need is for you guys to show me some love and show me some support. And I'm going to do another $500 cash giveaway. Okay. Just want to give you guys a little taste. you know. So I'm still up on the month, you know. I was up over 20 grand at some point, and it pulled back a little bit. You can see right here, but I want to finish the rest of this month strong, and I want to stay green. So as long as I'm banking, I'm going to be giving it back to you guys. Okay. Hit me with a 4 if you're ready for this giveaway. Rich, can you take a look at Meta? Yeah, we'll take a look at Meta right now. So Meta, we tagged this 618 right here, 464.03. It's holding up so far. Go to the daily chart. We could see that. Really nice 618 hold there on Meta. Very, very nice. That is also a dragon. So for the bulls, that 618 must hold for the continuation back to new highs. Very nice right there. Beautiful. Okay. All right. So you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. So I have the winner right here. So this was the post from July 18th for the $500 cash. So Miss Becky TA, I have 3 books and also signed up in Interactive Brokers, joined your Discord and executing so much better. Thank you, Trading Wars community. So thank you, Miss Becky. You are the winner. I appreciate you. I appreciate the kind words. I appreciate all the support. So I wanted to give back and keep giving back to the community and my people that take care of me. And there you go, Miss Becky, $500 cash. All right, guys, let's send Becky with some TW Army Spy VIP. She is here in the chat right now. Miss Becky, thank you very much for all your support. And like I said, guys, we will be doing another 500 as long as you guys just drop a like. All right, drop a like on this video. Comment Fib King right when I end the broadcast. And I'm very excited for this week. You know, let me remove some drawings. Let me have some fibs drawn up for you guys. For my short people, my people that want to short the market, we have a beautiful Fibonacci setup right here. This 618 lining up with these fair value gaps, even this 50% retracement, all of this area is shortable. Okay, the market is not one directional right now. It was for a while, but I do think the bears are fighting, and I do think it's going to bring a lot of volatility. Thank you so much for your time. Like I said, check me out, tradingwars.com, and drop an email, rich@tradingwars.com for that $100 deal, or use a website. Appreciate you guys. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.